Robo Burp Beats.
What's up guys, Vmods here, and thank you so much for watching this cinematic short of my finished Master Grade Wing Gundam Zero EW Waaagh. This kit has been absolutely amazing, and I can definitely tell why this kit is a fan favorite. After watching many reviews of this kit, I was instantly in love with the model. I love angel-like creatures, so this was a must-have for me. I've never bought a Master Grade before, so this kit was my very first Master Grade. And as of this video, I've built multiple Master Grades already, and if you're watching this video and thinking of getting a Master Grade yourself, I can 100% recommend this kit as your first Master Grade. As this is a fairly new kit that has been released in late 2020, it's a really enjoyable build. Everything from the inner frame to the armor is really nice to the touch, and the build is complex in a positive way. You can get so much fun out of this box, especially because the price compared to what you get is just a steal. I really enjoyed reading all about this kit in the manual. Because this kit is so new, the manual is both written in Japanese and in English. From the beginning all the way to the end, I couldn't wait to finish this kit. Seeing this kit coming together just brought so much excitement to my work table. But obviously the wings were the most exciting part of the progress. This is why I bought the Wing Gundam Zero EW. Seeing the model flex like that is a magnificent display, and even people who don't know anything about Gundam will probably ask you what that amazing thing is on your cabinet. If you're not into brushing and just getting kits done by building them, this is a kit to buy. The only thing that will consume your time and wasn't the most enjoyable part for me was the number of decals coming with this kit. The Waaagh version comes with water decals, which in the end will give it a better look. You won't have to deal with sticker marks around the edges, but it will take more time to apply them. But at the end of the day, decals make the kit. It brings more realism to your build and will make your model go from a plain toy to a real machine. But for me, the answer was customizing this kit the first time I saw it. I had the colors and everything already planned out. But I didn't want to risk ruining this kit by scribing, applying and die-hard customizing the kit. I wanted to enhance the colors to my liking and be done with it. As I do with all my kits, I started disassembling the body parts one at a time. Starting with the legs. I was going for a medieval type of look, so I searched for knight armor. The legs consist of a gloss surface primer from Vallejo, which I kept the feet in. Pale burnt metal from Vallejo's metal color line. The same burnt metal, which I made a little lighter by including some white. And some old gold from Vallejo Model Color. After the leg parts, I began working on the body, which I intended to have a side color of the wings, which I was planning on giving a turquoise color. The colors I used for this were a mixture of Waaagh Flash by Citadel and Steel Blue from Vallejo's Model Air line. And to get the color separation, I mixed the color with some white for the lighter parts and black for the darker parts. The arms were undergoing the same treatment as the legs, only the extra armor parts got a little color from the mix I mentioned before. And as I absolutely adore the shoulder parts, I had to give them a little bit more love. I saw many people giving the shoulder parts a plain look that will blend in with the rest of the body. Shoulder armor was always my favorite part of an outfit in any games I played. So it was a no-brainer to give the armor a little nice highlight. I included some metallic green from the Vallejo Mecha line to make the shoulders an eye-catcher in between the wings. Their head contains the only part I didn't paint, which is the chin. I kept it red because it was a nice scented highlight which complemented the red decals. I made the wings on the side of the head gold. It made me think of the shoes from Mercury and got my idea from him. The crown was done almost the same way as I've done the wings. It has a little fade from dark to light. During painting the kit, I stumbled upon a small upgrade for the wings which I knew would give the kit so much more dimension and body. I got these wing add-ons from Zeon Market. The feathers are made of a thick paper which is easy to brush and apply. You can easily cut out the feathers, and I even used the inner cuts, which are actually to be thrown away, from the feathers to make the wings even more dynamic. I was a bit scared brushing the wings because it was the first time for me doing a fade on a big object. I started priming the wings with Mr. Surfacer, which I got from Mecha Universe, and then I used the leftovers from the color that I mixed for the armor parts. I only added a little black to make it darker. After letting that dry for a bit, I used a mix of black, grey and turquoise from Vallejo's Mecha colors. I slowly added some white to make it brighter every layer I brushed over the wings. For the last color layer, I used a white from Vallejo's Model Air colors. The whole kit, except for the gun, is varnished with the metal varnish from Vallejo. And there you have it, my master grade Wing Gundam Zero for Waaagh, from top to end. As always, thank you to everyone supporting me in building this kit, and if you like this video and want to see more, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be the first to see my videos, and I will put all the colors I use in the description. I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy building!